Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel Tech and Stocks Infomedia. Top startup and tech stories this week. January 19th to 25th, 2025. 1. HUL to acquire direct-to-consumer brand Minimalist for nearly 3,000 rupees crore. Hindustan Unilever Limited said it will acquire a 95% stake in direct-to-consumer beauty brand Minimalist for 2,955 rupees crore through secondary buyouts and primary infusion. The remaining 9.5% will be acquired from the founder Mohit and Rahul Yadav within 2 years. 2. Everstone Capital acquires majority stake in bootstrapped SaaS firm Wingify for $200 million. Singapore-based private equity firm Everstone Capital has acquired around 80% of the bootstrapped software-as-a-service startup Wingify for approximately $200 million in a significant cash deal for the domestic enterprise software industry. 3. Tata Electronics acquires 60% stake in Pegatron Technology. Tata Electronics on Friday announced that it has acquired a controlling 60% stake in Pegatron Technology India. The company also said it would work on integrating their teams to work seamlessly. 4. Amazon largest seller Coca-Cola gets set for a quick commerce foray. Coca-Cola Retail, the largest seller on Amazon, has set up a new entity for the quick commerce business per a recent filing with the Registrar of Companies. Coca-Cola parent Rattan India has renamed one of its existing entities to Coca-Cola Quick Commerce and amended its objectives to shift the company's focus from wholesale trade to retail business, clearly indicating its focus area quick deliveries. 5. Restaurants body looks at ONDC to counter Swiggy. Zomato dominance. The senior leadership of the National Restaurant Association of India, NIA, urged its members to join the Open Network for Digital Commerce, ONDC, to counter the dominance of food delivery platforms Swiggy and Zomato. 6. Quick commerce startup Zepto in talks to raise IPO size to $800 million to $1 billion. Quick commerce firm Zepto has discussed increasing its IPO size to $800 million to $1 billion, including secondaries. Its CEO, Ardit Palicha, has met top mutual funds in recent weeks to discuss the public offering plans and projected $5.5 billion in gross sales during the final quarter of FY26, while achieving positive EBITDA, excluding ESOPs. 7. Hospitality startup Oyo readying to file IPO papers in first quarter. Hospitality startup Oyo has started work on filing its draft red herring prospectus, DRHP, by the first quarter of the new financial year, sources said, marking its third attempt to go public. The impending initial public offering, IPO, is linked to ongoing shareholding restructuring undertaken by founder Ritesh Agarwal. 8. PharmEasy to formally discuss IPO plans with its board in second try. Online pharmacy PharmEasy is aiming to return to Dalal Street this year, 2 years after withdrawing its initial public offering. IPO application. PharmEasy to formally discuss IPO plans with its board in second try. Online pharmacy PharmEasy is aiming to return to Dalal Street this year, 2 years after withdrawing its initial public offering. IPO application. 9. Infra Market raises $121 million in pre-IPO funding, B2B startup now valued at $2.8 billion. Infra Market, an online marketplace for construction materials, has raised $121 million. About 1 rupee, 0.50 crore, from investors, as it gears up for a planned stock market listing later this year, according to a regulatory filing with the Registrar of Companies. 10. Zomato Q3 net profit plummets as Blinkit piles up losses to take on rival Zepto. Swiggy. Food and grocery delivery company Zomato reported a steep 57% year-on-year YoY fall in net profit for the October-December period at 59 rupees crore. As its quick commerce unit Blinkit stepped up on spending and expansion to stave off competition from rivals such as Swiggy and Zepto. 11. Paytm Q3 revenue falls 36% on year. Net loss down marginally. 197 Communications, which runs digital payments platform Paytm, has reported 1,827 rupees crore in operating revenue in the December quarter for the fiscal year 2025. This was down 35.8% from 2,850 rupees crore a year back, largely driven by the impact of the Reserve Bank of India action of barring the operations of its associate entity Paytm Payments Bank. Go Digit General Insurance Q3 net profit rises 175% on strong business growth. Go Digit General Insurance reported a quarterly net profit of 118 rupees crore, up 175% from a year ago, buoyed by strong growth in insurance premium collection. 13. What is an NPCI wallet? A plan to unclog banking channels. The National Payments Corporation of India, NPCI, is considering a lower uniform interchange fee to encourage mobile wallet companies to step up their unified payments interface UPI business, said people with knowledge of the matter. 14. FinMinute wants banks to complete I4C integration by January to check frauds. The government is pushing public sector banks to work directly with the Indian Cybercrime Coordination Centre, I4C, to tackle the growing problem of financial frauds. 15. Indian techies on the edge as Trump returns to office. A significant segment of Indian IT professionals in the US are jittery on the eve of Donald Trump's official oath of office as the 47th President of the United States on January 20th. These are mostly in the entry to mid-level employees and are anxiously waiting for clarity on H-1B visas and green card policies to unfold with the new president taking charge. 16. Rising giants Dixon, Tata set to wrestle for India EMS crown. India Electronics Manufacturing Services EMS space will likely witness a consolidation and price competition as analysts expect the industry to gravitate toward an eventual duopoly of Dixon Technologies and Tata Electron. Thank you for watching the video. Please do like, share and subscribe for more such videos.